Hello and welcome to Brush My Con channel. If you wish to increase your knowledge of maths and want to receive regular updates from us, then consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon to the right bottom of your screen. So let's get started with today's topic of how to find prime numbers from 1 to 100. In order to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100, we are going to use a very popular method called as sieve of Eratosthenes. Now, before watching this video, if you're wondering what exactly are prime numbers, then check out the video on prime numbers, and I put a link of the same in the description of this video. So let's move forward and see how we can use this method to find all the prime numbers which are less than equal to, let's say, a number n. So the first step is to cancel out 1, as we know that 1 is not a prime number. The second step is to find all the prime numbers from 2 to square root of this number. Let's take an example. So in this case, n is equal to 100. So square root of 100 will be nothing but 10. So we need to find all the prime numbers from 2 to 10. And as we know, prime numbers have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So the prime numbers between 2 and 10 are 2, 3, 5, and 7. So as the second step, we have found all the prime numbers from 2 to square root of 100, which are nothing but 2, 3, 5, and 7. Now we need to take each prime number from 2 to 7 in this case and cancel out all the multiples of these prime numbers. Once we are done with this, then the remaining numbers are going to be the prime numbers. Now let's go and apply this method to find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So we have written the numbers from 1 to 100. You can very well write these numbers in a sheet of paper if you want to follow along. So as the first step, we are going to go and cancel out 1 as the number. In the second step, we are going to look at all the prime numbers from 2, 3, 5, and 7. So we are going to take all the multiples of 2 apart from 2 and cancel out those multiples of 2 because they won't be prime numbers. So if we quickly go ahead and do that, then these are the remaining numbers which we have. Next, we will take all the multiples of 3 except 3 and cancel them out. If we quickly do that, then these are the remaining numbers which we have. Some of the multiples of 3 like 6, 12, 18, and so on, we would have already cancelled as part of the multiples of 2. So it's good in a way because we need to cancel out lesser number of numbers. Now let's take the next prime number, which is 5, and cancel out all multiples of 5 except 5. If we do that, then these are the remaining numbers which we have. Let's go forward and take all the multiples of 7 except 7. Now, once we go ahead and cancel them out, then these are the remaining numbers. So we have cancelled out 1. We have cancelled out all the multiples of 2, 3, 5, and 7 except 2, 3, 5, and 7. Now, all the numbers which are remaining are nothing but the prime numbers from 1 to 100. I hope you were able to understand the method and were able to follow along. If you did, please go ahead and like the video, provide your valuable comments, do share the videos with your friends, and consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon. Thank you.